everyone! Today we are going to be stitching fleece scarves, so let's get started. Step 1. Remove the border stitch. You can remove the border stitch by pulling the thread. Step 2. Fold the cloth in half lengthwise. Step 3. Stitch the length at 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch. Be sure to reverse stitch at both ends to lock it. Step 4. Flip the scarf inside out. Step 5. Once you've flipped your scarf, it should look something like this. Now, at 5 inches, do a double stitch across. Measure 5 inches on the other side and repeat the process. We are almost done. The last step is to cut the fringes. Make cuts 1/2 inch away from each other. Be sure to be 1/4 inch away from the stitch. Repeat the process on the other end. Now our scarf is ready. This is how it looks. Enjoy stitching. Bye!